Hello everybody, this is Shubham Bhardwaj and today I am going to give you a small demo on the Power Apps Final App Challenge conducted by Microsoft 2024. So before going further, I would like to thank Microsoft for providing this wonderful opportunity where I learned how we can utilize the different Power Apps in order to streamline the business processes and how we can automate the operations. So I would like to thank Microsoft for selecting me and providing this hands-on 4 months Power Apps training. The scenario given to us is of a shoe company called SoleStyle, and they want to improve their operations and streamline their processes by an efficient system where they can track the shoe products, manage the stocks, and give customers a better experience. So this is how the main landing page of the application looks like. There is a logo on the left hand side and it says hello username. Since I have logged in from my account, it is saying hello Shubham, and there are three different options. So I will quickly go ahead and click on the shop online. So these are the different category of products that are available in the inventory right now. So the user can go ahead and filter based on the category they want to buy. So let's say we have sneakers, heels, athletics, loafers, flats. So the user can add the products to the cart. So let's say I will go ahead and check this particular item and this item, and if you see your cart is having like two items, they can go ahead and clear the cart as well. So let's say they want to buy a sneaker and they are confused between comfortable and urban sneakers, so they can go ahead and check what is the difference between both the products, and it will take them to this particular page where they can see what are the different uh, description, what is the different sizes available. So if you see comfortable sneakers is having color of white, the size is 8 and the weight is 0.75. So let's say the user is going to buy the comfortable sneakers, so they have to enter their details. So I will quickly go ahead and enter all the details required, and it will auto populate the different details of the product they are going to buy. For example, product name, the total amount, the size, the order date, and it will also calculate the expected delivery date, which is 14 days after your order date. So they can also enter the comments here, and if they are happy with it, they can go ahead and place the order. And once if they places the order, it will take them to this particular screen where it will say your order has been successfully submitted. So once the order is placed, it will send a approval request to the admin in the Power Automate. And so we have just now ordered the comfortable sneakers, so the admin can either approve or reject the particular order. So I will quickly go ahead and approve that item. Go ahead and approve this. So once this particular item is approved, it will send a automated email to the customer having all the details of the order, the shipping details, and it will also send them with a email address of the customer service where they can go ahead and ask questions if they need anything. They can go ahead and use the support button. So I will click on this and it will auto populate the chatbot. So let's say I will ask what is the store hours. So it will tell them what is the timing of the stores. And let's say if they want to ask where is my package, so it will track the order number. So it will say your order 1009 will be delivered by 5th of April, and it will also tell what is the timing of the delivery. So let's say I will ask more question. So the user wants to know what is the return policy, so it will tell them what is the written policy. The user wants to know when they restock their items, so it will ask for the email address as well. So once the restock happens, it will send them with an email address, so it will notify them once they restock. So last question, they want to check what is the delivery timings. Our standard delivery timeline is within 2 to 3 business days, and I want to end this conversation. It will ask for the rating, which is used by the managers to see how the chatbot is working. So we have this model driven app for the shoe procurement as well. So whenever a new order comes in, we can go ahead and check what is the new order here. So I will sort it out from newer to older. And if you remember, we just now created one order with the product name as comfortable sneakers. So this was pretty much from the customer end, and if we want to add a new product, they can use the UI as well. So they can see what are the different items available in the inventory, and if they want to read more about these particular items, they can quickly go ahead and check this item and click on the read more. It will show them what are the different items available in what quantity. So if you look at the comfortable sneaker, they are available in 50 stocks and they are still short of 50 items. So this will give a rough idea on restocking. So if they want to add a new product, they can go ahead and click on the new product. Size is, let's say, 7. So I will go ahead and add this product, and it will show them this screen that the new product added successfully. They can go ahead and add a new product, or if they want to browse the different catalog, they can go ahead and do this. For now, I will take them to the home again. So once this is added, it will add an entry to the database that I will show you in modern driven app instead of showing from the UI. So we have an inventory manager built on the modern driven app as well. So if you open this, it will open a product category form, so they can go ahead and see what are the different products available in the database right now or in the inventory right now. So if they want to add a new product, they can go ahead and add a new product from here as well for the internal purpose. And if they are happy with the new product, they can go ahead and save and close as soon as they add a new product. So if you see SKUs 678, loafer classic, loafers, navy blue, this is what we just now added, right? So as soon as we add a product, it will send a email to the admin with all the details of the new product that we just recently added. Go ahead and use this particular Power BI service that has like two different dashboard. One is the inventory management, so they can see what is the different product category and what is the different count available in the stock. This will tell them that, for example, they have like 150 pieces target for beach flip-flop, but they are only having 80, so they have to restock 70 more pieces in order to reach the target. This is the product name wise categorization. So if you see, beach flip-flop is having 80 pieces in the quantity, while the classic loafers is having 25 pairs in the inventory. This will tell the different revenue generating items. So if you see heels is having the maximum price of $180 or pounds, boots is having 150, while flats is having only 70. This will help them to actually filter out based on the color. So if I use brown colors, it will auto populate all the details related to the brown color shoes or sneakers or loafers, whatever it is. So they also have the functionality to uh, filter based on the product category. So if you want to see only inventory related to flip-flops, so they can see they have like 150 of target, but they're only having 70, so they have to restock again in order to reach the target. There is another book called the order book, which will tell them which customer is generating more revenue, so they can have the marketing strategy to focus only on these customers. So if you see Jane ordered like 4 times and they have created a revenue of 370 or 440, and they can even filter it out based on the prices and the sum of count. So based on the product category, if you see, people have ordered flats for 8 orders, sneakers has 7 orders, we have flip-flops 2 orders. This will tell them the total sales generated till now. So they have generated 4,890 pounds as total sales, and they have sold 50 products, and they are having 16 distinct customers, and the shoes and other footwears are available in 12 different colors. So this will tell them a basic understanding of the revenue generated by each category. So flats have generated them 770 pounds, while the trail shoes have made them a revenue of 100 pounds. This will tell them the distribution of the product status. So if you see 48% of the orders are now delivered while 52 are pending and yet to be delivered.